Hey Diva Dolls, welcome back to my channel. I did partner with Tinashe Hair to show you how I installed this beautiful wig on my daughter. Okay, so we are going to get started with this wig. This is for a lace front wig that's from Tinashe. It's a pretty easy to navigate website and they have really affordable wigs. I definitely want to be a resource for you dolls, so I'm just showing you what comes in the package. They sent some lashes, they sent a bonnet, they sent basically their information card, and here we have the actual wig. So their website again is very easy to use. They always have sales over 50% off. You can get short wigs, long wigs, straight wigs, full wigs. It just depends. So I definitely wanted to show you the site. There's always a discount code. So this wig, when it came out, it did not have a funny smell. I was just checking out to see what's inside of the wig, and there's 4 combs. It also has a strap, which I thought was pretty cool. So you do not have to sew on your own elastic band. The elastic band somewhat reminds me of a bra strap, the way it connects. But I'm just showing you the details of the wig. This is how the knots look. I did not bleach the knots. You can definitely do that. And if you need a video on how to do that, give me a thumbs up. I'll be more than happy to share that with you. But I'm just going to show you how I installed this wig on my daughter. So we went ahead and braided her hair down. She has thick hair, so that's how the braid pattern was. Now we went ahead and put the straps on the second to last hole in the back, and then we used this elastic band and we basically just attached it like so. So just like your bra strap. So once we got everything secure, I did go ahead and put this wig on her head. That way we can fit it. But I want you to see that you do not have to always put this on your head with glue or gel. You can just use the combs and use the strap, and it felt pretty secure. So here's the lace. The lace is somewhat I don't know, the color, you know, it should melt okay. I mean, if you're darker, you can tint your lace. It just depends on your skin complexion, but I'm just getting a feel for where I need to cut the lace. I like to cut around the ear. I think that's a more custom fit, so I'm just showing you how it fits on her head. What I'm going to do next is go ahead and cut where I measured. So this is just me showing you the first cut around her ear. I just took a pair of scissors, and you are going to have some hair that comes off, so do not worry. It's not going to look bad. It's still going to look great. It's going to be minimal shedding, but I went ahead and put the Got To Be glue on her head. Now, this is just temporary. She wears it for a couple of days at a time. If you want to wear it longer than a couple of days, definitely lay down your wig using the stocking cap method. And as you saw in the box, it did come with 2 stocking caps. So after letting that Got To Be hairspray dry, I did 2 layers, and then I pressed the lace down. You got to get the lace, as you can see, it's like a honeycomb effect. You got to get the gel or whatever you're using in between those grids. That way it melts. I can do a whole video on that, but this is just really quick. This is the residue. So all I'm going to do is take this off using some cotton balls and some alcohol. As you can see, she is filling herself. She has her hair on. This wig is 24 inches. It is a 13 by 4 as far as the size. That's why we had to measure it to her head. Do not be afraid to cut the hair off. She is going to explain to you all how she feels about the hair.
So, I'm CRYSTALCHANEL's daughter, and you know, she put this wig on me, and at first, honestly, it was weird because I'm not used to this kind of texture on my hair, like on me. But I got used to it, and I actually like it a lot now. It's really, really soft. And yeah, I don't really know what else to say about it. It's pretty great, feels great, looks great, you know, kind of suits me well. I like it, I mess with it, you know. That's really all I really have to say about the hair. I don't do this YouTube stuff. That's more of my mother's thing. But yeah, that's it. That's all.
I hope you dolls enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe and also share. Leave a comment down below. And as always, stay fabulous and stay fierce.